Good morning, students. Let us take your English reader book, chapter 4, Gita's Breakfast. So now let's start the lesson. Gita eats toast with jam, milk and idli. But does she have breakfast? Let's find out. Students, she is Gita and she is having toast, jam and idli. But exactly is she having her breakfast or not? That will come to know in the lessons. So here Appa. Appa means father in Tamil. Usha and Uma are having breakfast. They have to go to school. Little Gita is on the bed. She thinks she is riding a horse, but it is a pillow. So it was not a horse. She was pretending as if she is riding a horse, but it was a pillow. Suddenly, Gita smells something. She gets off her horse and runs to the kitchen. That smells nice. May I have some toast too? She asked Amma. Amma means mother. Amma gives Gita toast with jam. Toast with jam is crunchy and sweet. Gita loves it. Usha and Uma have finished their breakfast. They pick up their bags and wave goodbye to Gita. They go off to school. Here we see Usha and Uma. They had their breakfast early because they have to go to school. Amma wipes Gita's sticky face. After finishing her breakfast, Gita goes back to the bedroom. Her horse has gone. It has become a hill. Appa has made the beds. Gita climbs up on the pillow. Now she pretends she is riding a camel. Her camel is very high. The hump of the camel is just right for Gita to hold. Here, hump means the camel has a feature that is little bit hilly and it is supporting Gita to hold. Exactly, it is not camel, but Gita is pretending that she is sitting on the camel. Alright, students? Then suddenly, Gita hears the sound of a spoon tinkling in a tumbler. Amma is making coffee for Tata. Tata means grandfather in Tamil. Gita jumps off her camel. Riding a camel is hard work. So she wants to drink milk. Here Gita is feeling hungry again. So what she is doing? She runs to the kitchen again. And she told, I want some milk, Amma. And may I have a drop of coffee in my milk? Gita asks. All right, says Amma. So Gita gets a cup of milk with a little coffee in it. She drinks it up quickly. There is some milk around her mouth. It looks like a mustache. Mustache Hindi meaning मूछे. Amma wipes it off. Soon it is time for Appa to leave for office. Amma gives him breakfast. Gita goes and sits in the chair next to Appa. May I also have an idli, Amma? Amma gives Gita an idli. Appa eats quickly and leaves for office. Amma and Gita go back to the table. Gita eats her idli with a little sugar. Now again, Gita is playing a new play. She took a chair and she pushes the chair forward and pretends that it is a train. The train goes chuk chuk chuk. Gita's train is now in front of Pati. Pati means grandmother in Tamil. Chuk chuk chuk. Pati is reading a newspaper. When Gita reached to the Pati, then Pati told to Gita, Gita, are you riding a train? Have you had breakfast? Pati asked Geeta. No, says Geeta. Uma and Usha had breakfast. Appa had breakfast. But I haven't had breakfast. Geeta then takes her train to Amma. Amma, says Geeta, I haven't had breakfast yet. Please give me some. Here we see that in this lesson, Geeta is continuously playing and having her breakfast, and she is telling every time that she haven't had her breakfast. Why? Because she is not sitting properly at her dining table. So she is feeling that she is not having her breakfast. Students, this lesson tells about the Geeta that how she is enjoying her breakfast with everyone.